on the screen, and it is showing you a lot of green on the screen. The breadth is looking impeccable. Picture perfect market breadth, 1:13 in terms of advanced decline ratio. Britannia, Hero MotoCorp, L&T, Mindtree, BPCL, Bajaj Finance, Infosys. I'm picking up stocks from the Nifty in no particular order, but it is just moving higher. Tata Steel, is that the big dark red on the screen today? Is that the big dark red on the screen today? Well, it's red, but not a big dark red. I think markets are waiting for the conference call. Let's see if brokerages, they change their opinion. I mean, I thought that the casualty could be 4-5%, but 1% low for Tata Steel just tells you that it is not a very scary setup. The small cap index, and there you go. Hello again, 1.3% higher for the small cap index. So if you're looking at the real exciting part of the market, time to say hello to small cap again. Aisha?
Yeah, they're making a meaningful comeback, better than the large cap peers as always. While the Nifty now is catching up on with that 19,150 print as we speak. A lot of other earnings reactions as well. Let's see what Hero MotoCorp is up to. The Q2 numbers have been in line with estimates. Margins coming in 14%. So decent numbers there, 1.5% higher. Although the monthly sales numbers has disappointed, but the numbers or earnings for the second quarter are looking good. Godrej Consumer, we're going to be chatting with the management as well in the due course. Their Q2 also is above estimates. The gross margins have risen 700 basis points. There's JK Tyre as well, margin expansion of 720 basis points there. KEC International, revenue uptick of 11%, margins coming in at 6.5%, 1.25% higher for KEC as well. Consign Nerolac too came up with its numbers, EBITDA jump up of 37%. Triveni Turbine, wherein the EBITDA has risen about over 33.5%. So these are a couple of stocks which are in focus. There's LIC Housing Finance as well, by the way. Both the net profit as well as the NII are above estimates. And the gross NPAs as well have shown an improvement. We're not seeing any excitement come by on that stock. Fino Payments as well came out with its numbers. Profits have surged 41.5%. And the other income has clearly aided the P&L here, which is up 70%, 2.5% higher for Fino Payments as we speak. It's not just Tata Steel actually, but Britannia, that also came out with its numbers. The revenues actually are below estimates, so let's see what Britannia is up to in trade. But that stock doesn't seem to be in any spot of trouble, still holding up by about 2.6% as we speak. Volumes, remember, are up only 0.2% versus the street anticipation of 2 to 3%. Eicher Motors, the October Royal Enfield International business is down 39%. Total sales are up 3%. It hasn't quite matched up with the street estimate, 0.6% higher nonetheless for Eicher. And then, of course, there's Syrma SGS as well. We were just chatting with the management too. The margins have slipped and they don't see margins coming up meaningfully anytime soon. 4.5% lower for Syrma as we speak right now. So that's pretty much it. I also want to revisit what the likes of Idea, Sun Pharma, Birlasoft, etc. are up to. Remember, these were big movers in trade yesterday. Vodafone continues its uptake. Sun Pharma as well, seeing just marginal green ticks. And Birlasoft holding up 1.25% as we speak right now.